Tired of pests destroying your plants? What if I told you a $1 kitchen staple could wipe them out without toxic chemicals? Stick around, this baking soda hack saves my garden every single year. Today, I'm revealing the most powerful organic pesticide you can make in minutes. No fancy sprays, just baking soda, Castile soap, and a secret booster. Here's why it works. Baking soda disrupts pest pH while soap suffocates them on contact. Let's mix it. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 1 liter of water. This is your base. Step 2. Drop in 1 teaspoon of Castile soap. This binds the mixture. Finally, the game changer, ½ teaspoon of neem oil. It's a natural pest repellent that boosts effectiveness by 200%. Spray at dawn or dusk, never in direct sun. Coat both sides of leaves, especially where pests hide. For severe infestations, reapply every 3 days. And always test on 1 leaf first. Some plants, like cucumbers, are sensitive. Why does this work? Pests have a waxy coating that baking soda destabilizes. Imagine their shells melting off, while soap clogs their breathing pores. It's lethal to them, but harmless to bees and ladybugs. Try this and comment "Bugs be gone" below. Smash like if you love chemical-free hacks. And follow for weekly garden rescues. See you in the next one.